So I was reading about this IPO, Leo Dry Fruits and Spices.
Oh, yeah, I saw that pop up actually. It's an SME IPO, right? Pretty interesting stuff.
Exactly. It opened on January 1st, and I'm trying to wrap my head around what that all means.
Well, essentially, it means they're offering their shares to the public for the first time, trying to raise about 25 crore rupees, right? And
Okay, so they want to raise money. That makes sense. I saw something about the price band being 51 to 52 rupees. Is that like a, fixed price?
mhm, almost. The price band allows investors to bid within that range, and the final price is usually set based on the demand. It's kind of like an auction, I guess.
So it's not like a set price, more like a range. Got it. And the gray market premium, I saw that was at nil. Is that like a bad sign?
Well, a nil gray market premium suggests the stock might list at par or around the issue price. So it's neither good nor bad. It just reflects market sentiment.
So basically, no one's expecting it to jump up right away. That's good to know.
Right. It means expectations are realistic for now. I mean, there's also a breakdown of how much was reserved for different investors.
Yes, 50% for qualified institutional buyers, 35 for retail, and 15 for non-institutional investors. Why do they split it up like that?
Well, it ensures that a diverse group of investors, I guess, gets a chance to invest. It prevents one group from cornering all the shares.
That makes sense, like giving everyone a fair shot. So, what about the lot size? I saw it was 2,000 shares.
Exactly. So you can only apply multiples of that lot size. It helps standardize trading.
Okay, so not a small investment then, right? What's the deal with all the T plus free rule they mentioned?
Yes, T plus 3 means the shares are expected to list 3 trading days after the allotment. It's a settlement cycle that SEBI introduced, right?
So it's pretty quick then, like a 3-day wait and it's done. Okay, what about their actual business?
Well, they make spices and dry fruits, under the brands Vandu and FRYD.
Right, so they're actually in the food business, not just an investment thing.
Yeah, they're basically in the business of flavor, I guess. They're supplying whole and blended spices, dry fruits, and other grocery products, and even frozen stuff too.
Oh, okay, so quite a wide range of products. Any idea how they're doing financially?
Well, their profit after tax went up quite a bit from about 7.9 lakhs in FY22 to 6.64 crore in FY24. That's a pretty good jump, actually.
Wow, that's a huge increase. So seems like they're on a good growth path.
Yeah, it seems like it. So I guess that's something investors would take note of, actually.
So to recap, it's a SME IPO for a spice and dry fruit company.
Right. They are raising funds for working capital and marketing purposes, I guess.
Okay, and the gray market premium is flat, so there's, well, no hype right now.
Exactly. It's not a crazy hyped IPO, which sometimes can be better.
So it's like a steady boat instead of a speedboat, right?
Yeah, you could see it that way. It's not a wild roller coaster ride. I mean,
What I'm wondering is, what do you think about the long-term prospects of an IPO like this, especially in such a competitive market?
well, the food industry is pretty stable, right? Everyone needs food, so there's always demand.
That's true, but the competition must be insane. How do they even stand out?
Well, that's where the brand and the quality come in. If they can build a loyal customer base, they could do pretty well, actually.
Okay, so it's not just about the numbers, but also about brand and loyalty.
Exactly. It's like a marathon, not a sprint, I guess, when you build up a brand. I mean,
So we'll have to keep an eye on this one and see how it does over time, then, right?
absolutely. It's one to watch, I suppose, to see how they grow and expand their reach, actually.
All right, so to sum up, this Leo Dry Fruits and Spices IPO is definitely something to think about. It's not a flashy overnight success type, but it shows potential.
Yeah, it's a more steady, slow burn type of opportunity, I guess, if they play their cards right.
Definitely. It's like planting a tree. Slow, but eventually you see the fruit.
Exactly. So, are you thinking about investing in it yourself?
Maybe I'm still doing my research. But hey, what should we talk about next? Maybe something less spicy, perhaps?
Haha, sounds good. I mean, how about we shift gears and talk about something completely different?